Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. On today's Variety Spotlight, we're going to be talking about a rare white tomato. It's called the white Tomesol. Here's a closer look at the plant itself. It's growing really well. It's probably about 6.5 feet tall right now, putting out a pretty good amount of tomatoes. The color is honestly a little bit more of a palish yellow, but I could see how it's considered white. It is very, very light colored on the inside. You can see the difference between a ripe one of these and a still unripe one. You come around. Here's a good example. You have still a green one on the left, and the one on the right is a nice pale yellowish color. And check out this little bunch down here. Got 4 little ones ready to go. This is kind of cool. I've always wanted to harvest a whole truss of tomatoes at the same time. Usually they don't ripen all at once, so you kind of, you're pulling them off as they're ripe. But all 4 of these are ready to go, so we're going to pick this whole little bunch. So you can see that ratio of the seed gel to the actual meat of the tomato probably means this is going to be a very juicy tomato. So let's cut a slice and have a taste. All right. So you got a nice thick slice there. A little sea salt. Very juicy. Oh yeah. Mild flavor, not a real strong flavor. Just nice basic tomato. Not real acidic. The most notable note on this is the juice. Just really juicy. Yeah, it's a great tomato. Not sure what else to say about it. Not real strong flavor, but very nice. We're gonna make some salsa with this. We're gonna try to make like a white salsa. So that's kind of cool. I really like just growing different colors of tomatoes. You're so used to just the standard red one, which are great, but there's so many other cool different styles, sizes, colors that you can grow. So there you go, white Tomesol tomatoes. Check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope your garden's doing well this year. Catch you on the next video.